So now we are going to solve ICSE 10th standard matrices board question which appeared in 2017. If A is equal to 1, 3, 3, 4 and B is equal to -2, 1, -3, 2 and they have given this condition A square minus 5B square is equal to 5C. Find the matrix C where C is a 2 by 2 matrix. So first we have to find out this particular part A square minus 5B square, and then the value is equal to 5C. So from this we have to find the value of C, and as we know that A is also 2 cross 2 matrix, B is also 2 cross 2 matrix, so C is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so first A square is nothing but A into A, 1 3 3 4, 1 3 3 4. So the matrix multiplication, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. So first we'll do first row first column, in the sense first row 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Similarly 1 into 3 plus 3 into 4. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. So is equal to 1 into 1 will be 1 plus 3 into 3 will be 9. Then 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 1, 3 plus 12. Here 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 4, 16. So is equal to 1 plus 9, 10. 3 plus 12, 15. 3 plus 12, 15. 9 plus 16, 25. So this is nothing but my A square. Now I have to find B square. So and then we will multiply with minus 5. So B square minus 2, 1, minus 3, 2. Once again, B square is nothing but B into B, right? So here first we have written B and then one more time we have to write B. So B into B. So the same procedure. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 3. Okay, then minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus minus 3 into 1 Yeah, so here minus 3 into minus 2 plus this one 2 into minus 3, and then here minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So which is equal to minus 2 will be 4. Here 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. So 4 minus 3. Here minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 2. Here minus 3 minus 2 will be plus 6. Minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6. Minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3 plus 4. So which is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is nothing but my b square. Now we have to multiply with minus 5. So minus 5b square is equal to minus 5 of b square 1001. So which is equal to minus 5 0 0 minus 5. So just multiply here, and then here, here, and then here. So now we have to find the value of c. So according to the expression, so which is nothing but 5c is equal to 5, 15, 15, 20. So this is nothing but a square minus 5b square. Okay, so 5c. So how we obtain this one? In the sense a square minus 5b square. So our a square value is nothing but 10, 15, 15, 25, right? And then minus 5b square. So it is minus 5, 0, 0, minus 5. So now we have to simplify this. So 10 minus 5, 5. 15 plus 0, 15. Then here we have 15. 25 minus 5 will be 20. So this is nothing but my 5c. So that is what I have written here. Okay, so now here I have explained how the process is been carried out. So from this we have to find the value of c. c is nothing but 1 upon 5, 5, 15, 15, 20. Okay, so dividing by 5 we will be getting 3, sorry, 1, 3, 3, 4. So this is nothing but my c, 1, 3, 3, 4.